Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well on this beautiful sunny afternoon. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different that I have not done yet on my channel, which is a perfume unboxing and review. I'm actually not much of a fragrance slash perfume person, but this particular gift set is so beautiful that I just had to share it with you guys. And the fragrance gift box that I will be unboxing slash reviewing today is the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, the Beauty Ritual gift set. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So just a little bit of background on this particular gift set slash perfume. The Miss Dior perfume has been like #1 on my wish list ever since I was like 16 years old and working at Shoppers Drug Mart at the time. As I was sweeping the floors and dusting the cosmetics section, I first saw the Miss Dior perfume and fell absolutely in love with the packaging. It was just the most feminine, crystalline, classy packaging I had ever seen, and I thought to myself, I must have this. So I took one whiff of it, and honestly, it smelled absolutely horrendous. This is just a personal preference thing. I happen to be someone that loves more subtle, fresh, clean kind of scents. I'm not into floral fragrances whatsoever. So to me, it smelled a little bit too strong. But if you are into florals and girly scents, then you might think that this smells delicious. But for me personally, I'm into like men's cologne. Actually, I wear a lot of men's cologne. And like Lysol wipes and like the smell of fresh rainwater. Like I actually don't like the more sugary, florally, girly scents, which is a shame because they always come in the most beautiful packaging. But I just cannot stand those kinds of scents. They're just a little too strong for me. And that's kind of why I'm not a fragrance person actually, because, you know, as anyone who's really into perfumes will tell you, they are very expensive typically. So if you don't love the scent, I just can't justify collecting perfumes as a major hobby. But if you're into perfumes, then that's awesome. All right, so let's get into the actual unboxing. So I got this particular set around Christmas time at Sephora, and basically when I saw that it came in this little mini set and it was limited edition, I was like, all right, it's only been what, like a lifetime later since I first fell in love with it at Shoppers Drug Mart, but it's about time I get this darn perfume because it comes with a hand cream and this beautiful box. I was like, what better time to get it than now? So it comes in this beautiful box with the classic Dior navy blue floral print all over. There's like stars and leaves and flower petals. It's so gorgeous. That same print continues along the edges of the box as well as on the back. And the bottom just has some information about the contents of what's inside of this gift set. The front says, Dior, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, the Beauty Ritual. Absolutely gorgeous. So inside the box inside is actually even cuter in my personal opinion. So you just open it up like this. And oh! This gorgeous box is inside. So it is this really pale pinky white colored box with Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet written on the front and the Dior risen at the bottom in silver, and this gorgeous silver border going all the way around. There is this risen houndstooth textured material wrapping all around the perimeter of the box, and the back is just plain. It opens up with a magnet closure like this. And inside is the gift set. So the top here has Miss Dior with this silver font, and the inside of the box is more of that houndstooth material or texture, and I think it becomes flowers, which is really beautiful. The entire interior of the box is also that super just barely there pink. It's like mostly white with like a pink undertone. It's like my favorite color ever. And it comes with this hand cream, the lip balm, and the perfume itself. So they come out very easily actually. You just kind of pinch the bottom and it comes out really nicely. Same thing with the lip balm and the perfume. And that's how the box looks empty. So now I'm just going to be reviewing and going over each of the individual products that come with this gift set one at a time. We're going to start off with the hand cream. It says Miss Dior Nourishing Rose Hand Cream. Comes in this beautiful, beautiful pale pink packaging that is, once again, barely there pink. It's so subtle with silver text. There's once again that houndstooth-like resin texture at the top, and the bottom just has CED for Christian Dior. You open it up by twisting and just squeezing it to release the hand cream. It is this very subtle pink color. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. And it blends into the skin really, really quickly and easily. And it's not too greasy either. Overall, the consistency is slightly thin. So I don't know if this would be nourishing enough for the winter time. It depends how dry your hands get, I'd say. What I love about this hand cream is how unbelievably mini it is. So it's like the size of my palm. So it's great for travel. Even in the miniest of mini bags, this can comfortably fit. It can fit in your pocket, at your work desk. It's just so lightweight, easy, and beautiful. So I love it for that. But in terms of the consistency itself, honestly, it's not anything remarkable. I have Aveeno drugstore hand creams that are a lot more nourishing than this. So I'd say overall this does the trick, but it doesn't feel significantly more luxurious than other hand creams I have. Next up, we have the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. This is their best-selling lip balm. I wanted this for years. I'm realizing actually I lusted over Dior products a lot in my teenage years, and I'm like finally buying them all for myself now that I'm an adult. But I dreamt of owning this particular lip glow for so long. Pretty much the first time I ever went to Sephora, I fell in love with the crystalline, gorgeous packaging, and now it came in this gift set, so I was like, all right. Normally, the lip glows do not have this risen Dior logo here, but this one does. It's this beautiful rectangular, it kind of reminds me of ice. It's like a see-through material. The top says CD once again. You actually pull this out, and this is like a clear container. And the lip balm comes in the silver tube. You just twist the bottom to release the lip balm. It is slightly tinted this fuchsia baby pink color, which is pretty universally flattering. I actually have a few other of these that I got on sale over the years at Sephora, and my mom has somehow stolen every single one of them, but I let her have it, of course, because she's my mom. But she absolutely loves them too. There's just something about it that's so luxurious and beautiful, and you feel so gorgeous every time you're putting it on. It's also very hydrating. I actually have it on my lips right now, but on top of that, I have this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, which is a million years old, but it's basically this fuchsia pink color. And last, but certainly not least, is the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume itself. Comes in this gorgeous crystalline, once again, it reminds me of ice, perfume bottle. The bottom, once again, has that risen houndstooth texture. And it's just this gorgeous glass bottle that has Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet on the front in silver. And the cap is not glass, it's actually plastic with a frosted area at the top that says CD once again. There is a plastic ribbon here that is attached to the plastic cap, so it comes off as one piece. And then there's just a CD at the top of the trigger of the perfume as well. Overall, this scent, as I mentioned, is incredibly girly, feminine, French, and floral. So I would highly recommend this scent for the spring and summer months, especially spring, because you will honestly just smell like a spring meadow with this perfume. So that is it for my very first fragrance unboxing and review video. I'm not sure how many more of these I will have in the future. As I mentioned, I'm just not that much of a fragrance girl. I do have another Chloe gift set that's quite beautiful. If you guys are interested in seeing that, then I might share that. Otherwise, I'm not sure the next time I will have a fragrance video. But I just simply had to share this one because I've wanted it for literally like a lifetime, and I finally have it. And it's beautiful. So just two things I want to share really quickly here. First of all, I actually just made a second channel called Anita Doll, where I will be reviewing and unboxing dolls. I know it's so random, but I'm a huge avid doll collector. It's one of my passions outside of fashion, home decor, and the things I show on this channel. So if you do happen to be interested in doll collecting, I know it's very random, please feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. And one last thing is, I just wanted to take this time to say thank you guys so very, very much for subscribing. I've only been on YouTube for exactly a month now, and I have officially hit 100 subscribers. I know for a lot of people 100 subscribers is nothing in the grand scheme of things, but it's a big deal for me. I was so scared to post on YouTube, and I've been dreaming about it for literally half of my life, and I thought might as well just do it. And I'm so happy you guys are liking my content. It truly means the world to me. So thank you so much for subscribing and joining my cozy little corner here on YouTube. I truly appreciate it more than you know. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Please take care. Bye.